At around 6:10 p.m., we received a report that a regional express train had derailed on the route between Sigmaringen and Ulm. It has been verified that this occurred between Riedlingen and Munderkingen. 2 carriages jumped the tracks and derailed. As things stand, there are 3 fatalities and several injuries. We will be working through the night and have launched an investigation. Evidence will now be secured at the scene, which is likely to take until tomorrow or even longer.
The train is still exactly as the emergency services found it. A train with 4 carriages that left the track bed and was pushed together and pulled apart accordingly. Of the approximately 50 injured, a large number had minor injuries, such as bruises, minor, major, open lacerations, sprains. But there's also around a third with serious and very serious injuries, which could include anything. I don't know exactly, because they were transported away quickly. When we realized that this was a mass casualty situation, the emergency services naturally stepped up their efforts to transfer the injured people who had been rescued from the carriages by the emergency services to the surrounding hospitals. This rescue operation has now been completed. To our knowledge, there are no more people in the carriages, and everyone has received medical attention. That is why the medical emergency services have been scaled back, with only a few people remaining on site, and the firefighters, together with the technical rescue services, are now clearing the scene so that we can take further action.